There's Lucia. Ooh, dang, y'all. Look how tall Lucia got. She's taller than Tux now. It'll be interesting to see how tall she is compared to Dolce now. I think when she left for training, she was just a hair shorter than Dolce. Oh, look at her move, though. She's so gorgeous. And she must have lost a little weight, I think. Baby girl, don't drink that. I think she lost a little bit of weight. But then again, she is growing. So they grow so fast. So, oh, she's pooping. Ozzy, you got your two girls home, huh? Oh, we got a little cold front coming in. There's Tequila. Tequila. Lucia! 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 Come on, baby. Let's go see what she looks like next to Dolce. Lucia! She is looking good, y'all. But yeah, she's a little on the thin side. She'll beef up. Oh, by the way, speaking of, beefing up in food and all that, I'm not gonna feed her. I'm not gonna feed them Taste of the Wild anymore, just because I saw a recent report of Kibble brands that have recently been more associated with DCM, or dilated cardiomyopathy, which is that disease of the heart that some Kibble brands have. It's been suggested that there's a link to them. I don't know if it's proven or anything. Probably not proven, but some suggestion. So the FDA just puts out warnings that there may be a correlation there. So I don't want to take any chances. So I'm just not going to feed them Taste of the Wild anymore. And so I'll probably start to feed them the Victor brand. I was talking to the trainer that I took them to, and that's what he feeds his dogs. And I haven't seen any association with DCM from the Victor brand. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a try. I'll slowly transition them on that. Boy, everybody is just eating a bunch of grass. I'm going to take them away from this area because this is the area that I've seen more of the rain lilies. Oh man, y'all. Look at these beautiful. These are prairie verbena. They're just gorgeous. All the spring flowers. Oh goodness. Isn't she gorgeous? Can't get over how tall she is. Boy, sometimes if I'm not looking closely and I see Lucia run by, I almost think it's Ozzy. That's how tall she's gotten. I think she may be, she may grow to be about as tall as Ozzy. Definitely taller than Dolce. Come on, us. Come on, Lucia. Lucia, good girl. She's happy to be home. Lucia, she's got a really nice structure, y'all. Her top line, her rear angulation right there, it's all very straight. Lucia. She's absolutely gorgeous. Lucia. She's got some eye boogers there. Let me grab that. She's been sleeping in the car. Ooh, let me get that. Okay, baby. Come on, baby. My Lucia. That's my Lucia. Okay, come on. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Come on, us. Tequila. Let's go this way. Come on, Dolce. Dolce. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, Dolce. So, I will say this, though. I am happy to have Dolce back because, well, for many reasons, but I noticed right away when I put Dolce in the Forerunner, you know, with the rest of the pack, and probably wasn't more than 10 minutes went by as we were driving off from the trainer's property. Tequila, the little pit bull bully puppy, she was excitable as she usually is, and probably throwing some play dominance, you know, similar to that on Dolce. And now Ozzy lets her get away with it sometimes, but Dolce put her right back in her place immediately, and much more firmly than Ozzy. Let me see Oz. He's got something on his paw. And so it kind of took her aback a little bit. Oh, see, he's already telling them. He's already telling them, don't mess with me. She's got the zoomies now. So yeah, so that's why I'm really happy to have Dolce back. Also because she will start to really correct Tequila as Tequila starts to become more confident. And she's already extremely confident. But see how she gets away with the other dogs. I'm going to have to start correcting her more. You know, it's hard because sometimes you're like, well, she's just playing. But she's throwing all kinds of dominant moves. Look at her trying to dominate. She's trying to dominate Lucia there. And Lucia is kind of more of a submissive. She's confident but submissive. Look at those eyes, yo. Oh, her eyes are gorgeous. So, she still wants to. She still wants to dominate Lucia. Tequila! Watch this. See this? See this? Dolce is checking Lucia. What she needs to be checking is Tequila. And like I said, she did early on in the car. She really checked Tequila, put her in submissive position like right away. So yeah, hi Papa, come on us. So yeah, I got my work cut out for me. Like I said, if this bully puppy Tequila, if she is gonna persist and persist and persist, trying to claim dominance, I may have to rehome her. You know, I'm not going to put my pack at risk. She's a puppy now, but you know, as she becomes, she's gonna be a huge adult. I can already tell she's going to be huge and very powerful. So being a pit bull, from a pit bull, you know, genes and bully genes, they're prone to, you know, just really persist. And the thing is, I don't have anybody else here to monitor. In case a fight breaks out, I work all day, so if she's going to be very difficult to correct, and if she starts to challenge Dolce, that could be potentially a very bad fight. But we'll see. So far, you know, she takes corrections. Watch her, watch her, watch her. Oh, I thought she was going to sneak up on Dolce. Dolce's going poop. But yeah. So far, she has been, like I said, submitting to Dolce. Watch her. Let's see. See, Dolce is also very playful, but and she, before she left to training again, she would really entertain Tequila. Her hackles are up. Look at her hackles. Dolce's hackles are up. The hair on the fur on the back of her, on her back. Good girl, Dolce. I think she's just really getting settled back into her environment. Dolce. It's cold out here. But yeah, more to follow. We have to really work very hard on Tequila. Good girl. On Tequila. Lucia's easy. She's not a very dominant Corso, at least not yet. She's kind of an even-tempered, moderate energy. And Dolce is dominant, very dominant. Ozzy's very even-tempered, but he still remains alpha. He'll put Dolce in her place if he gets annoyed, but he's very tolerant, you know. So, I mean, you've seen videos of him correcting Tequila when he gets annoyed, but he lets it get to the point where she gets away with a lot before he snaps on her. Dolce will put an end to it quicker than Ozzy will. All right. Well, anyways, I'll let y'all go. I'm gonna get back inside here. We've been driving for 2 days almost. I slept in the back of the 4Runner for a little nap, about a 2-hour nap. I kind of drove through the night. I picked them up around 8 p.m. in Louisiana and drove with 5 dogs in the car until about 2 a.m. and then stopped at a truck stop and climbed in the back and slept for about an hour, maybe 2, and woke up to this little girl. I woke up to Tequila having diarrhea in the 4Runner, so I was able to contain it, get it cleaned up, and you know, needless to say, that didn't get much sleep after that. So hit the road again. Been driving about 5 hours today. Finally home this morning. Whew. So glad to be home. There's really no place like home. So glad to be home. I really love this property. Dolce's looking good. She kept her weight on. She might have lost a little bit, but she did stand to lose a couple pounds. Hi, Papa. I'm gonna take him inside and take a closer look at his paw. Something seems to be bothering him there. Hi, Papacito. Let's go inside. Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa. He was so good. He was so good the whole trip. All right, y'all. Well, we'll talk to you soon. Hope you're having a good day. See you on the next one. Hi, Dolce. Sí.